wanna start down on one?
Nah, we're good.
Okay.
Oh, they are still old call buttons here.
Good.
Yeah, we'll wait for let that guy go. I'm willing to bet this one's probably out of service. Yep. Brand spanking new. Still haven't gotten rid of all the old call buttons yet. I wrote these in July back when there was still one original. I would have expected they would have gotten rid of those buttons, but haven't yet. The most wonderful time. Okay. This one.
So it's identical to the other ones.
Pretty much.
These are the high rises.
Yeah, these are the high-rise ones. They didn't make these talk. Oh, they did actually. They didn't talk earlier.
Going up.
Here we go. Watch both indicators.
Lobby.
The other one came, I think, at the same time.
Yeah.
Useless stop, that's what Justin calls it.
Haha. Joe-Evator?
Yeah, 3219.
Yeah. I hate to say, but this mod's a disappointment. They go slower than the originals.
I know.
The original ones, you could literally ride to 20 in just like 10 seconds. We'll go back down. We'll take another ride up. We're already on 20.
Oh, 20 is locked.
Look at my cab view. No, we're on 20. That's why.
We're at 19.
There's Adam
20
and
was
Riley.
locked.
No, we're on 20.
Oh, okay.
At least you can feel them move a little bit, but they definitely aren't as forceful or as exciting as the originals were.
True.
They're your fixtures. Innovation, prestige.
PB 35.
First floor. Going up.
We'll get off at 20. We'll get a view up top.
Okay.
What floor? Lobby.
Going up. Lobby. Going up.
Thank you.
All right. Here we go.
Floor. Going up.
Oh, it's good.
Going up. Oh, sorry.
That big door closed.
16th floor.
We almost pulled a Fleccia there.
Going
I
up.
know. But this one's going up. They wanted to go down.
Yeah. But if they did, yeah, that would have been funny seeing it. Like, whoa, 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 and then the door shuts.
I know.
Yeah, we'll get off at the top. I want to go down the hallway. I want to, even if we don't ride them, I'd like to take a little peek at the service cars if we can.
Okay.
Like I said, we don't have to ride them, but in case there's any original, we should at least try to look at them, because...
Out of service.
Yeah, they're modding that one right now. It was still original in July.
I know.
Yeah, it has the new lantern up here. Yeah, we aren't gonna go on it yet though.
Okay.
Going down.
As you can see, it's very rainy out today.
You wanna grab it?
Nah, we don't have to.
Okay.
We'll just leave it up here. This is stairs, or actually, yeah, I think it's stairs, I don't know. Yeah, that's stairs. And here's the hallway. Oh well.
There aren't any up here.
On the other side, yeah, they appear to be original, but oh well.
There aren't any service cars up here.
Not on this side, no. They're on the other side of the hallway.
It even says there's only 3 exits, which is right here.
Yeah, the other ones are right, like, by there.
Here we go.
This one's been completed now.
Going down.
And you know what? We're gonna end on the lobby.
Look down the shaft too. It's pretty neat.
Oh yeah, you can look down a little bit.
Yeah. You can see through the doors of the original elevator that they're redoing the cabs.
I'd say this is basically a 99% total replacement.
Going down.
I'd say the only thing that's left original of these is the outside doors. Other than that, it's basically a 99% total replacement.
Especially that interior door tracks replaced. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's very clean.
Yeah, you can definitely tell when you compare it to the other ones.
Going down.
Keep pushing in. Okay, this is this.
Lobby. Going
And
down.
we'll get off here.
Okay.
And there it goes. And that's it.